Today I have on my bench the X Case V12. The V12 comes in three colours: black red, all black and black silver. Each V12 comes with two 5.25 opticals, one 3.5 inch for floppy or card reader, front USBs, audio, reset button, hard drive activity light, and a touch button on off. The touch button on off lights up in a nice blue colour. The case itself is made to be as small as possible but still take full-size motherboards, as shown here. We have done this by changing the position of the power supply to the bottom of the case as opposed to the normal position being the top rear. We have a power cord going from the back of the case on a fly lead, which then fits underneath the case. These feet give clearance, allowing the air to get into the case. We include one 80mm fan. It comes with 6 full height expansion slots, the case itself is made from 6mm steel. It's quite strong and sturdy. Obviously, for the price, it's not going to be the highest quality of steel, but once you've built a system in it, it's not flimsy and definitely worth the money. If you're using a micro ATX board, which would come to about here, you can use both 5.25 bays. If, however, you're using a full-size board, as shown here, the bottom CD bay may cause a problem because the board will simply be in the way. So, if you're looking to either tidy up a system you currently have or make a low-cost system, the V12 is definitely a good choice. Once the power supply is fitted, depending on what type, it does leave quite a lot of clearance for a decent sized video card or a large PCI card.